everyone, welcome back to Gina Amon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make tomato paste. You need only one ingredient for this amazing recipe. Great idea for stew, soups, jollof rice, etc. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. So these are my fresh tomatoes. I used 1 kilo of tomatoes and then added in water, baking soda, and then I let it sit in the water for about 10 minutes before washing it again and then chopping it into smaller pieces. After 10 minutes, go ahead and chop your tomatoes into smaller pieces and make sure you take out the seeds. But if you want, some people do with the seeds, but I prefer taking it out. The seeds make it white, like when you are done, and then when you blend it makes it more white, but without the seeds it's okay. So I prefer making it without the seeds. And then I added it to my saucepan. I didn't add in any water. There's liquid in the tomato, so once it's cooked, it will release the liquid in it, and then it will help cook the tomatoes. So after some minutes, this was around 15 to 20 minutes if I'm not lying. So you want it halfway cooked, you still want some liquid in it to help blend the tomatoes. So I added it to my blender and then I blended until smooth. Once it was smooth, I added in red food color, which is totally optional. I covered it and blended until very smooth. I'm not going to sieve it, and this is a powerful blender, so I prefer making it very smooth and then adding it back to my saucepan without sieving it. But if you have some seeds in yours, you can go ahead and sieve it before adding it to your saucepan. Once you've added it to your saucepan, stay close to it. From time to time, check and give it a quick stir. At this point, you want to lower your gas and then let it cook slowly until the liquid in the tomatoes has evaporated. So it's tomato paste that we're doing, and then you need it to cook slowly until it's creamy, until it turns to a paste. So stay close to it all this. Like from time to time, you can come around, check it until you get the right consistency. So guys, look at this. As you can tell from the video, it's now thick. You've got it to a creamy consistency. I went ahead and let it cook further until I got to this consistency. This one, you see. So even if you turn it, as you can tell from the video, it holds its shape. That means you're at the right point and you're good to go. This can stay for ages, as long as you put oil on top, on the surface of the tomato paste. It can last for ages, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a thumbs up. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs. Please don't forget to follow, share. My son is distracting me here. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to follow my page if you haven't already. See you till then. Bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.